All right, kids. It's fall. It's almost winter. Time to feed the birds. Birds are going extinct. We got to help our little feathered friends. So today we're going to use these common household treasures to make a bird feeder in 2 minutes. First, what do you need? Let's take a look. Okay, what you need: container, sticks of some kind, pencil, twigs, dowel, piece of string, bird seed, and a knife, some kind of knife, any kind of knife. And with this, we make a bird feeder. All right, first, juice container. Two minutes. Juice container, rinse it out, dry it out. Grab one of your knives. If you're using a Swiss Army knife, be careful because they close. If you put pressure the wrong way, they can cut you, so be careful. I like this one, serrated. You can use a house knife, you can use this one. So here we go. Halfway done. Next, use a knife with a lock. Don't use this one. We're going to poke some holes in the bottom. So water drains out. Next, we're going to poke some holes in the sides. To hang it. Next, we're going to poke a perch in here. Now, you can use a pencil. You can use a pencil for a perch. You can use a stick. But I have this old piece of dowel. That's going to go like that. Shoelace goes through here. Seeds. Boom. 2-minute bird feeder. Let's take a look at how it looks in action. I built one last week and it's rocking and rolling even better than I thought, so you can check it out. So that's it, 2-minute bird feeder. The best free entertainment you'll find all day. Anybody can find this stuff anywhere you want. And you're helping out our birds. They're not doing so well in the last 20 or 30 years, so do your best. Peace.